Hi, in this video I will explain the basics of AI agents. We go through some basic components, regardless of n8n or VAPI, nothing in that context, but the general concept of what is an AI agent. We will, since we are in Germany and we are in Europe, we will touch a little bit of the compliance parts, one of the areas where I am super interested about. And then we will go and start building the AI agent that I just demoed in the first video of this series. So the first question, what is an AI agent? The simplest answer I could come up, as you see on the slide, is an AI agent is basically a program that learns and makes decisions to perform tasks on their own. They have their own memory, they have their own decision-making powers, and they have access to tools. They can perform those tasks that you have given to this, call it a software, call it an assistant or an AI agent. Imagine this diagram. If you remember from the old school of input, process, output, any program, any computer program can be simplified with this kind of a diagram where you have an input, there's a processing unit, and there's an output. Same thing can apply to an AI agent. An input could be a chat, a voice bot, a trigger, a database entry, a sensor going off on some fire alarm system, or a sensor going off on a train. Actually, there could be a bunch of different triggers that can wake up an AI agent. And then there is a processing thing, which we'll look at in just a minute. And then there is like the output part. In this particular diagram, you see that there is a chat, there is some AI agent. We'll explain what is that, like those three little legs. And then there's an output. So let's see that. The basic component, the intermediate component, is basically the AI agent itself, or the brain of that piece of software, which has basically three components. One is a chat model. A chat model is something like an LLM, a large language model. It could be from OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, whatever you pick. But that is one of the important components. An AI agent needs to have an LLM behind it. It should know the natural language. It should be able to process natural language. Then it should have a memory. That memory is used basically for remembering the conversation. Imagine if you have a ChatGPT window open in front of you, and then you paste a bunch of text, and then you say, summarize this for me. It summarizes it. And then you say, can you please remove all the punctuations? Can you add some emojis? Can you convert this into a LinkedIn post? So the reason that it has a memory, it can go and iterate back on your request, and it knows what do you mean by it. So that's the memory part of any AI agent. The third and very important part is the tool. It has access to your tools and then can go and execute tasks on your behalf. For example, Salesforce, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and so on. Obviously, Microsoft Teams. For example, you have a workflow automated that may need a notification to a human in the loop, and the human logs into the environment of the AI agent to resolve that problem for the AI agent. You need Microsoft Access Teams so that it can give a notification to the relevant person. Since I'm focusing on SMEs and providing my services to SMEs in Germany, mostly they use Salesforce, Microsoft Outlook, Teams, but you can imagine this for yourself being like HubSpot for your CRM instead of Salesforce, Google Suite or Gmail being your Microsoft Outlook, Slack being your Microsoft Teams. So basically that is the very basic of any given AI agent. If you have any questions about knowing AI agents in further details, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.